Hello guys and welcome back. So in the previous videos we have added this Unity package due to which we lost our layers and tags. Okay, for example, if we click on this box, as you can see, the layer and everything is just gone. Okay, so what we will do in order to fix this is to add that layers and tags again. We have the tags right here, okay, but we don't have the layers. So let's go ahead and add the layers. So if we click on add layer, as you know that we don't have a layer for the player, so we will add a player layer. Then at the end, let's add a layer by the name of obstacle. Okay, and then if we click on player, as you can see, the layer is automatically added right there. And if we click on surface, okay, we don't have the layer right there. Okay, so we need to add that layers again. Let me first of all select these roads and these sidewalks. Okay, so if we search for road, okay, we have this road edges and everything. So what we will do, we will simply select that, then move up top, hold down the shift button and click right here, and everything is selected. Okay, then if we click on layer, let's add the obstacle layer to all of this. Okay, then we need to add layers for the sidewalk as well. So if we search for sidewalk, here it is. Okay, select all of the sidewalks, add the obstacle layer, that is it. Then after this, we need to add this layer to these boxes and everything, these tables as well. So if we search for wood, okay, this wood better, wood boxes, wood construction and everything. Okay, select all of them and add the obstacle layer, that is it. Okay, so once you add all of that layers, then right here for the surface layer, select obstacle. Okay, and then if we play the game, you will notice that player on surface will be equals to true, as you can see. So now it means that yes, the player is on the surface, as you can see. Okay, so now it is working. But you are noticing that the player is not performing the parkour. Okay, as you can see. So let me tell you why this is happening is because if we click on the environment checker script right here, we didn't add the obstacle layer. Okay, so we need to select obstacle layer right here as well. Okay, then if we play the game again, you will notice that now the player is detecting the obstacles and we can perform parkour now again, as you can see. Okay, so in this way you can fix all of this issue with the layers. Okay, just simply add the layers and then don't forget to select the obstacle layer right here and right here on the environment checker script as well. So with both of these issues fixed now, let's end this video right here.